Ever wondered what foods you should eat during menstruation? Well, you're not alone. Nutrition plays a pivotal role during menstruation, a time when your body goes through a myriad of physical and hormonal changes. Eating the right foods can not only provide your body with the necessary nutrients, but also help you deal with common symptoms like cramps, bloating, and mood swings. Think of your body as a well-oiled machine. It needs the right fuel to function efficiently, especially during menstruation. Certain foods, rich in specific nutrients, can help alleviate these symptoms and make this time of the month a bit more bearable. For instance, foods high in magnesium can help reduce cramps, while those rich in potassium can help combat bloating. Similarly, foods with tryptophan can help stabilize your mood. But which foods are these exactly? Stay tuned as we delve into the top foods you should incorporate into your diet during your menstrual cycle. Before we proceed, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment for more content like this. First on our list is everyone's favorite, dark chocolate. Now, who doesn't like a good excuse to indulge in some chocolate, right? But this isn't just any chocolate we're talking about. We're referring to dark chocolate, the kind that's at least 70% cocoa. Dark chocolate is high in magnesium, a mineral that can help alleviate fatigue and mood swings that are often associated with menstruation. So if you're feeling a bit down or just plain tired, a piece of dark chocolate might just be what you need. But that's not all. Dark chocolate also triggers the release of endorphins, those feel-good chemicals in our brain. These endorphins not only boost our mood, but can also help combat menstrual pains. It's like a delicious, melt-in-your-mouth painkiller. So the next time you're menstruating and you feel the urge for some chocolate, reach for a piece of dark chocolate. So don't feel guilty about reaching for that piece of dark chocolate when you're menstruating. Next up, we have leafy greens. A powerhouse of nutrition, these vibrant veggies are a must to include in your diet, especially during menstruation. Why, you might ask? Well, the answer is iron. Iron is crucial for our bodies during menstruation, as we lose a significant amount of it. And guess what? Leafy greens like spinach and kale are rich in iron, helping replenish the body's supply. But wait, there's more. Leafy greens are also packed with fiber. This not only helps you feel full and satisfied, but also aids in digestion. A smooth digestive system means less bloating and discomfort, which can be a real game changer during menstruation. And the best part? Incorporating leafy greens into your meals is a breeze. You can add them to your salads, blend them into your smoothies, or even sauté them as a side dish. Adding leafy greens to your meals can be a simple yet effective way to keep your body healthy during menstruation. Bananas are another great food to eat during menstruation. These yellow wonders are nature's convenience store, packed with essential nutrients that can help you navigate through your cycle with ease. Bananas are especially rich in potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in regulating fluid balance in the body. This can help reduce bloating and water retention, common symptoms that many women experience during menstruation. But that's not all. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which is known to regulate mood. This vitamin helps produce serotonin, the body's natural mood stabilizer. So, if you find your emotions on a roller coaster ride during your cycle, a banana could be just the snack you need. Incorporating bananas into your diet is quite simple. You can add them to your morning cereal, blend them into a smoothie, or simply enjoy them as a quick and easy snack on the go. So remember, when your menstrual cycle begins, reach for a banana. Incorporating bananas into your diet can help you feel better during your menstrual cycle. Salmon is another food to consider during menstruation. Now you may wonder, why salmon? Well, this vibrant pink fish is a powerhouse of nutrients that can help ease your menstrual discomfort. To start with, salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, which our bodies can't produce on their own, are known to reduce inflammation and pain, making them particularly beneficial during that time of the month. Additionally, salmon is an excellent source of vitamin D. This sunshine vitamin is crucial for calcium absorption. And as we know, calcium plays a key role in muscle function, which can help soothe those cramps and aches. Moreover, the vitamin D found in salmon has anti-inflammatory properties too, further helping to ease those monthly aches and pains. So, whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or in a sushi roll, incorporating salmon into your meals during menstruation can provide great relief. Including salmon in your meals can help alleviate menstrual symptoms. Last but not least, we have yogurt. a creamy delight that's not just delicious but also a powerhouse of beneficial nutrients. This humble dairy product is packed with calcium, a mineral that's crucial for your body, especially during menstruation. Why, you ask? Well, calcium is known to help reduce premenstrual symptoms, making those few days of the month a bit more bearable. But that's not all. Yogurt is also a rich source of probiotics. These friendly bacteria play a vital role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. During menstruation, some women might experience bloating or other digestive issues. This is where yogurt steps in as a hero, with its probiotics helping to keep your digestive system on track. Remember, it's not just about eating yogurt but choosing the right kind. Opt for the ones that are low in sugar and high in protein. You can enjoy it as is, mix it with fruits, or use it in your cooking. Adding yogurt to your diet can make your menstrual cycle more bearable. To recap, the top foods to eat during menstruation are dark chocolate, leafy greens, bananas, salmon, and yogurt. Each of these foods packs a powerful punch of nutrients that can help alleviate some of the common symptoms associated with menstruation. Dark chocolate, our first pick, is more than just a sweet treat. It's a rich source of magnesium, a mineral that has been linked to reducing muscle tension. This could help with those pesky cramps that often accompany your period. Plus, the slight mood-boosting effects of dark chocolate don't hurt either. Moving on to leafy greens, they are a powerhouse of iron. During menstruation, women lose iron, and replenishing it is crucial. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens can help you do just that. Plus, their high fiber content aids in digestion, which can often be a bit sluggish during this time. Bananas, on the other hand, are all about potassium. This essential mineral helps regulate muscle contractions, which could potentially ease menstrual cramps. Plus, their natural sweetness can be a great way to curb those sugar cravings that tend to pop up. Next up, we have salmon. This fatty fish is rich in omega-3 fatty acids known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These can help soothe inflammation and pain associated with menstruation. Additionally, salmon is a good source of vitamin D, which can help boost your mood. Last but certainly not least, we have yogurt. This creamy delight is packed with calcium, a mineral that has been linked to reducing PMS symptoms. Plus, the probiotics found in yogurt can aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy gut. Now, while these foods are all great options to incorporate into your diet during menstruation, it's essential to remember that everyone's body is different. What works wonders for one person might not have the same effect on another. It's all about listening to your body and understanding what it needs. You know your body best. And let's not forget, these foods aren't just beneficial during menstruation. They're nutrient-dense and can be part of a balanced diet all month long. So why not give them a try? Your body might just thank you for it. As we wrap up this discussion, remember that these suggestions are just that, suggestions. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a nutritionist if you have specific dietary concerns or questions. Remember, every woman's body is different. What works for one person might not work for another. Always listen to your body and give it the nutrients it needs. Thank you for watching and take care of yourself.